Hi, I'm now going to discuss my fourth prototype with you. Someone wanted to approach me with a concern that people were stealing fire extinguishers from hotel hallways. Ridiculous. But at that point in time I didn't know much about it. So one day I read an article in the newspaper about people in a hotel who were sleeping in their beds while a fire was raging out in the hallway. This prompted me for my next idea. If you look at the industrial fire extinguisher, at the bottom of it you'll see like a little cap or an added piece at the bottom. Normally the hose plugs in there. Well, I decided to make use of this section, this add-on section to the fire extinguisher. Here you can see the prototype that I produced. The fire extinguisher would simply fit between there. On the underside I have a service switch. Looking in from the top I have an electronic box housing the battery and the alarm. Over here I have a limit switch on one of the screws. Removal of the screw will trigger the alarm. I have now armed the device and I will show you by removing the screw that it will be activated. Once the alarm is set off, it actually latches and you can only switch it off via the switch. Now for the second part. If this fire extinguisher was then used for its intended purpose, as soon as it was removed from the wall, what I wanted to do was sound the alarm, and as it's taken to the fire or going to the fire or near the fire, the alarm would then be activated and wake up sleeping residents. Tilt switches were installed, so as you tilt the fire extinguisher, the alarm would sound.